Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Assassination Nation. This is a Blu-ray plus digital spine, and here is the back. So let's check what we have inside here. It includes bonus features, deleted and extended scenes, and gig reel. And it's got English 5.1 audio and English subtitles. It says BD50. Disc made in Mexico. It's a universal release. The movie length is an hour and 47 minutes. So let me just open this and see what we have inside. So here is the digital code. Again, this is a US import, but I believe this is a region free disc because it's universal. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you will see some databases in the description. Please download them and send me a feedback. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.